Hello guys. In my opinion, this is the best way of making tomato cages, so I'm going to show you how I make one right quick. All you need is a roll of this concrete wire. You can buy this at Lowe's. It's 5 foot long and it's a 150 foot roll. And then I cut them just like this. So you alternate. One of them you leave a little bit of overhang, then the other side you cut next to the end. And that way you've got a little bit of wire left over, so you can bend them, wrap it together with pliers, and make it into a circular cage. And all you need to do that is a set of bolt cutters, set of pliers, then you can make some tomato cages. So doing them like this out of a 150 foot roll, you can get 31 tomato cages. So that's roughly $5 a tomato cage compared to the pre-made ones that you buy, which are more expensive and far lousier. These can last for multiple years, oftentimes decade plus. You just want to take that overhang and kind of twist it around with some pliers, trying to leave any sharp edges. Then once I get it together, I will take the bolt cutters and cut off that bottom ring. That way you can stick it into the ground. Then you kind of take it, flatten it out more into a circular thing. And then this end, you can see it's already come apart, so this is the end we will take off with the bolt cutters. Then this is the end that will go into the ground. Going to discard this ring. Then you got a tomato cage ready to go. Just like that. You got these big 6-inch squares, so it leaves you plenty of room to grab your tomatoes, pull weeds, whatever. Then if you want to turn these into pepper cages, all you got to do is cut them in half. Then you can put them on these, and they're way better than these little flimsy big box ones. Here's a half one here. Thank you for watching.